Hello everyone, magandang buhay po sa lahat. Welcome na welcome po kayo dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyo about interior angle and exterior angle of a polygon. So magpipresent po ako ng different kind of polygons para maunawaan po ninyo yung relationship ng interior angle at exterior angle ng polygon. Okay, so let's start. Let's define first exterior angles. Angle that form when a side of a polygon is extended outward. The sum of all exterior angles in any polygon is always 360 degrees. How about adjacent interior angles of a polygon? These are angles inside the polygon that share a common side. The sum of exterior angle and its adjacent interior angle in a polygon is always 180 degrees. So para maunawaan ninyo yung definition of the exterior and adjacent interior angles, I will show a polygon. Okay? So this polygon is a triangle because it has three sides. Okay? For example, itong side ng polygon na ito ng triangle, extend ko po dito sa labas ng triangle. Okay? At makakabuo po tayo dito ng angle and that is called the exterior angle. Exterior angle, sabi niya kasi extended outward and that is exterior angle. Okay? Nasa labas po ng ating triangle. How about dito sa loob? Okay? Ito po yung kanyang tinatawag na adjacent interior angles. Okay, so ito yung exterior angle, ito yung kanyang adjacent interior. So bakit po sila adjacent? Because it share a common side. Itong side ng triangle na ito ay part ng exterior angle at itong side din ng triangle na ito ay part din ng interior angle of this triangle. So kaya ang tawag po sa kanya ay interior angle or adjacent interior angle. So ito po yung relationship between exterior and interior angles. Okay, so let's have another illustration to understand the lesson. Okay, again, this is a triangle. Now, we are going to extend the three sides of this triangle outward. For example, this side, extend ko po dito sa may right. Okay, then this side, extend ko po dito sa part diyan. And the last side, extend ko po dito pababa. Okay, so yung three sides ng ating triangle ay extended outward. And last, let us try to name the different exterior angles and the interior angles of this triangle. Okay? So for angle 1, that is exterior angle, nasa labas po ng triangle. Angle 2, again, nasa loob ng triangle. This is adjacent interior angle. Okay? And then, how about this part? For example, angle 3 is interior angle. So, angle 4 is exterior angle. Okay? How about angle 5, interior angle, and angle 6, that is exterior angle. So, notice sa pair of angles natin, sila po ay adjacent to each other. Okay? So, 1 and 2 adjacent, 3 and 4 adjacent, and angles 5 and 6 adjacent to each other. Okay? So, what are the exterior angles and the interior angles? So, for the exterior angles, we have angle 1, 4, and 6. So, ito po yung exterior angle natin. Angle 1, angle 4, and angle 6. Those are exterior angles kasi lahat ng itong tatlong angle na ito ay nasa labas ng triangle. And for the interior angles, we have angle 2, angle 3, and angle 5. Ito po yun, 2, 3, and 5. So, those are the interior angles and the exterior angles of this triangle. To understand deeper the relationship between angle 1 and angle 2 of this polygon or the exterior angle and the interior angle of this polygon, let us take a look with its measurement. So gamit po tayo ng ating protractor, okay? At sa side po na ito, okay, this line, straight line, lagay po natin yung ating protractor in 0, okay? I-line po natin. And then yung gitna niya ay lagay po natin sa pinakang vertex dito. Okay. So kunin po natin yung measurement ng angle 1, exterior angle, at measurement ng angle 2, interior angle. So for this exterior angle, angle 1, so ito po yung ating baseline kasi ito po yung ating extended line ng ating triangle. So ito po yung baseline natin, tapat po natin sa 0 at nandito po yung number. So hindi po pwedeng dito tayo magkukuha ng number kasi ito po ay 170. So ito po ay dito tayo sa baba. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 hanggang abot po tayo kasi ito po yung side. This is 150 degrees. So ibig sabihin, ang measurement itong angle na ito, exterior angle 1 na ito ng ating triangle is 150 degrees. Okay? So how about this interior angle ng ating triangle? This angle 2. So again, ito po yung ating baseline kasi andito po sa may left yung kukunin po natin na sides ng ating or side ng triangle natin. So 0 po ito. So dito po tayo kukuha ng number. So 10, 20, 30. So ibig sabihin itong angle, angle 2 na ito measures 30 degrees. Okay. Tignan natin yung relationship ng measurement ng angles 1 and 2 dito sa ating polygon. Again, angle 1, 150 degrees exterior angle. Angle 2, 30 degrees interior angle. So try to get the sum of the two angles. So 150 plus 30 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so according to the definition na binasa natin kanina, the sum of exterior angle and its adjacent interior angle of a polygon is always 180 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, kapag sila ay exterior and adjacent interior angle, always ang sum po nila ay 180. At if you are going to prove, ito po ay straight line. Di ba po sa ating pinag-aralan na linear pair, ang linear pair po ay adds up to 180 degrees. So therefore, ito pong exterior angle at adjacent interior angle, the sum should be 180 degrees. Of course, pati din po dito sa angle 3 and 4, dapat ang sum po nila ay 180. Angles 5 and 6, the sum should be 180 degrees. Okay, susubukan po nating lagyan ng measurement between the two angles or the interior and exterior angle of this triangle. For example, itong angle 3, the measurement is 80 degrees. What should be the measurement of angle 4? This is exterior angle. Okay? The measurement should be 100 degrees to make it 180 degrees. Okay? How about angle 5 and angle 6 here? For example, ang angle 6, exterior angle is 110 degrees. What is the measurement of this angle 5 interior angle? That should be 70 degrees to make it 180 degrees. Okay? So again, the sum should be all 180 degrees. And let's try to prove, according to the definition of exterior angles, the sum of exterior angles in any polygon is 360 degrees. Okay. So try po natin kunin lahat ng exterior angles ng ating triangle. Okay? So the three exterior angles are 100 degrees, ito po yon, exterior angle 4, 110 degrees, exterior angle 6, and 150 degrees, exterior angle 1. Okay? And try to add the three angles. The sum is equal to 360 degrees. So in any kind of polygon, hindi lang triangle, pwedeng quadrilateral, pwedeng pentagon, always ang sum ng exterior angle ay 360 degrees. Let's have another example, this quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has 4 sides. So ito po ay 4 sides and this is quadrilateral. Okay, and the 4 sides are extended outward the polygon. So for example, this side extended here. So yung mga broken line po natin, ito po yung mga extended line ng ating quadrilateral. Okay, and we have measurements. Okay, try to find the measurement of angle A, this one. This is interior angle. Angle B, interior angle. Angle C, exterior angle, and angle D, exterior angle. Okay, unahin natin yung angle A. This is interior angle. So, ang adjacent exterior angle niya ay 80 degrees. So, what should be the measurement of angle A? So, the measurement should be 100 degrees. So, why? Because if you add 80 plus 100, the total is 180 degrees. So, again, the sum of the exterior and adjacent interior angles should be 180 degrees. Okay, so how about angle B? The exterior angle is 100 degrees. What should be this interior angle B? Again, the measurement to make it 180 ay mag-a-add tayo ng 80 degrees. So that 100 plus 80 is equal to 180 degrees. How about this angle C? There is no indicated value here, pero meron tayong symbol na box. So ano po ang ibig sabihin na box symbol sa ating corner? Ito po ay measurement ng angle. Ang ibig sabihin nito ay right angle or ito po ay 90 degrees. Okay? So, kapag itong angle na ito ay 90 degrees, what is the measurement of angle C? Itong exterior angle. So, to make it 180, kailangan din natin ng 90. Okay, so that 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degrees. How about this angle D? Yung ating exterior again is box or ito po ay right angle or 90 degrees. So therefore, the same with angle C, ang angle D din ay 90 degrees. Okay, so let's take a look on the measurement of the interior angles. Okay, so ano po yung interior angles? Lahat ng nasa loob. So ano yung mga interior angles natin? We have this one. Okay, so 100 degrees. Okay, this one, angle A, 100. And then we have 290 degrees here. Ito pong dalawang box na nandito sa loob. That is 90 and 90. And then the last ay angle B, this one, 80 degrees. And try to add the sum. The sum is 360 degrees. So sa ating pong quadrilateral, ang sum ng angles is 360. Any quadrilateral, the sum should be 360 degrees. How about the exterior? Okay? So yung exterior angles po natin, there are 4 exterior angles kasi 4 sides po yung ating quadrilateral. Okay. So the exterior angles are, what are those? Okay, this one, 100 degrees. Ito po, 100 degrees. Next, 80. Okay, this one. Next, dalawang 90. Okay, angle C 90, angle D 90. Okay, there are 4 angles. So the sum is equal to 360 degrees. So take note, always sa exterior angle, in any kind of polygon, the sum of exterior angles should be 360 degrees. So nagkataon na pareho po silang 360 degrees kasi ang sum din po ng quadrilateral na interior angles should be 360 degrees. Okay, so how about this example, pentagon? So the pentagon has 5 sides, okay? And we're going to extend each side outward, okay? And let's have this measurement. If this exterior angle is 65 degrees, what is the measurement of this interior angle? So the measurement is 115 degrees. To make it 65 plus 115 equals to 180 degrees. How about this side? Extend po ulit tayo. And the measurement of this interior angle is 90. What is the measurement of this exterior angle? So 90, kailangan mo pa ng 90. So that 90 plus 90 equals 180 degrees. How about this side? We are going to extend. Okay? And the exterior angle is 65 degrees. What is the measurement of this interior angle? Okay, so kanina dito 65 yung exterior, ang interior ay 115. So therefore, this is 115 degrees also. So that 65 plus 115 equals 180 degrees. How about this side? Extend po natin, okay? And the interior angle is 110. The measurement of the exterior angle is 70 to make it 180 degrees. Okay, and the last side, extend natin outward. Okay, the measurement of the exterior angle is 70. What is the measurement of this interior angle? That should be 110 degrees also. And try to add those interior and exterior angles. So, for interior angles, there are 5 angles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ito po, 115, 110. Ito po, 115, 110, 110. This one. Then, 115 and 90. Okay. There are 5 interior angles. So, the sum is equal to 540 degrees. And for the exterior angles, there are 5 exterior angles. Unahin natin dito. 90, 65, 70, 70, 65. Ito po, 90, 65, 70, 70, 65. If you are going to add, dapat kapag interior angle equal to 360. Okay, again, so in any polygon, the sum of the exterior angles should be 360 degrees. So ang nagbabago lang ay yung interior angles. At meron po akong kasunod na video to discuss the sum of the interior angles of any polygon. So meron pong formula kung paano po i-calculate yung sum ng interior angles of a polygon. Okay, for the activity, we have quadrilateral. Okay, quiz po natin about quadrilateral applying the interior and exterior angles of a polygon. Okay, so ito pong quadrilateral ay extended na po yung kanyang sides outward and we have measurement. This one is 100 degrees. Okay, this angle, exterior angle is 70 degrees. Now, we are going to determine the measurement of angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, and angle F. Ito po yung ating question 1 to 6. Okay, try po ninyong i-post yung video na ito and try to answer the measurement of each angles. And then sa end po ng video na ito ay nakalagay po yung sagot dito sa questions 1 to 6 na to. Salamat sa panood mga anak. Please like and subscribe kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel. So marami pa akong i-upload na mga video tutorial about grade 7 math matatag. So this is the key answer for question 1 to 6. Yan po yung kanilang measurement from angle A to angle E.